Mira, Mira.
Mira, play ball with Oma.
Te-a văzut și eu de câte ori vreau să iau pictures. Oh, she wants to take a picture. Take a picture of Oma. Oma is with the ball. Take a picture. Thank you. Thank you. Now let me take a picture of Mira. Oh, okay, there you go. Now let me have the camera.
Cheese.
Now let's play ball.
Just throw the ball.
Okay.
She'll go after it.
She knows how to catch the ball. Can you catch the ball? Show Daddy how you catch the ball. You throw it. Okay, I'll hold this. Where do you want to put it?
Just throw the ball, Mom. See if she goes after
No,
it.
she wants to put the... Okay, I'll play by myself. Oh.